how to add Omny card to Apple Wallet. So if you want to add Omny card to Apple Wallet, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your wallet application. So search for wallet, tap on it, and you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the plus option, which is on the top right. With that, different available card options will pop up. Go ahead and select the option of travel card. Once you find the travel card or transit card, you need to click on it. Over there, you will have a search box. You have to type for Omny card. After that, it will appear. Then click on it and provide your card details. In the case it doesn't appear, that means the card is not available in your region. At the moment, this card option is only available for a few regions. So if you cannot find the option of Omny over your wallet section, that means that the card option is not available yet in your country or your region. But if you find the option, just click on it and provide your card details. With that, your card details will be updated. That's how you can add Omny card to your Apple Wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.